Oh, hi. Gordy down the Electric Bikes Superstore, Melbourne's home of electric bikes. You already know we have a massive range of electric bikes, all shapes and sizes, ready for your test riding pleasure, but that also stands to reason that we have a massive range of folding electric bikes, and it just so happens that we're having a folding electric bike sale. The price is starting from $12.80. So come on down and check out our huge range of folding electric bikes. We've got quite some unusual ones. For instance, the mighty Earth Anti-Bike with these chunky 3-inch slick wheels and 26 amp hour worth of battery. That's 2 batteries on that folding bike. That's an extremely long range sort of setup there. The traditional Anti-Bike original, my personal ride. You go anywhere off-roading sort of folding electric bike. I love that, and so does everyone else, it would seem. But look at this. Many folding electric bikes. So whether you want to step through, step over, long range 15 amper, or more of a light sort of short tripper, front wheel drive, rear wheel drive, disc brakes, whatever you like, we've got it here because we are home, Melbourne's home of folding electric bikes. The idea is you come in, you have a test ride, bring your vehicle, see if it fits in there, check it in the caravan, the motorhome, see where it's going to fit for that big trip north, because we have many folding electric bikes. Prices starting, as I said before, $12.80 up to $2,190 for the mighty Smart Motion E20, the prince of the folding electric bike world. You want a red bike, fine, white, blue, grey, charcoal, whatever you like, even a cheeky pink or a blue compact. So, come on down to the Electric Bike Superstore at 847 Dandenong Road, Malvern East, and join in our massive electric folding bike sale. Until next time, stay epic.